Shoes. They reside at the bottom of our outfits and at the top of the fashion industry. Should you add shoes to your own store or start a shoe brand? Oh, absolutely. You can follow the example of countless brands that already sell shoes through Printful and gain thousands of dollars in profit. I'm not just here to encourage you to go after your dream of selling shoes online. I'll also tell you about one of the easiest and safest ways to do it. So how can you start a shoe business? The good old way of selling products through brick-and-mortar stores is definitely a great place to start if you have money to invest and knowledge on what steps you need to take to make your business succeed. But if ordering hundreds of products and renting a space is out of the question for now, there's a much more suitable option that doesn't require big upfront investment. Print on demand, or POD for short, is an order fulfillment method where products are created only when an order is made. And in Printful's case, without order minimums. So a POD company takes care of the fulfillment and the shipping process for your store, while you work on creating product designs and attracting new customers. With Printful, the sky is the limit, and you're able to sell your shoes on the top e-commerce platforms and marketplaces all over the world from the comfort of your own home. If you see a high demand for your product, you can be sure that we will take care of the fulfillment process no matter how many orders you get. If that sounds good to you and you're wondering how to get started with Printful, keep watching. If you're not a Printful customer yet, the registration process is easy. Once you've created your account, you'll be able to start designing your shoes right away and connect Printful to your online store. To guide you through the process of starting your own shoe store, we've prepared plenty of thorough tutorials on the topic of setting up your store, designing products, tackling shipping profiles, product pricing, and billing. If you want a detailed walkthrough on how to start your own print-on-demand business, take a look at our video course. I've left a link to it in the description of this video. If you've got any burning questions about selling custom shoes, let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out. Currently, we offer 4 different styles of shoes that you can design and sell on your online store. To create a design, you can use any design software, or you can do that in Printful's free Design Maker. With the Design Maker, you can choose from over 50 collections of clip art elements, more than 30 text fonts, and millions of stock images, vectors, and patterns. You can combine all of these parts to create high-quality designs just like these ones. Once a customer buys your product, we fulfill it, pack it, and ship it. As Printful is a white label company, our name doesn't show up on the product or packaging. That means you can personalize both the shoes and their box by adding your own logo. Once you've created your shoes and added them to your store, you have to get people to buy them. Here are some selling points that'll help you market your footwear. Each pair of shoes is only made once someone purchases them, which means you don't have to keep a stock of unsold products that could end up in a landfill before ever being worn. This is a huge concern in this day and age, especially for younger generations who really care about the sustainability of the brands that they buy from. The second thing is that you also produce one-of-a-kind shoe designs. I mean, who wouldn't want to have high-quality shoes with a unique design? It's an attractive feature to people who love fashion and the longevity of their accessories. By buying from your store, they'll have a trusty pair of shoes that will look like no other. So, are you already selling custom shoes? If yes, please share your experience. I'm really curious to hear how it's going for you. That's all for today. Good luck with building your own shoe store and see you in the next video. Bye!